Let's take you beyond North Texas for just a moment here when it comes to weather and talk about Hurricane Lee. If you don't know, it's a large, powerful hurricane, and it's moving through the Atlantic, getting closer to land at this point. So people on the island of Bermuda are starting to feel the impacts of that storm. We're talking strong winds and those large waves crashing there. It's actually passing by the western side of the island, and it's heading north right now. If we take you farther north, though, up in New York and Maine, even Canada, people there are starting to get ready. Smart idea. A weakening hurricane expected to make landfall sometime or somewhere between Maine and Canada. That'll happen this weekend. But even areas that are far away from that storm, which is not uncommon, are expected to see and feel the impacts. And if we bring in the chief here, Scott, we know that means winds, that means all sorts of kind of other extra ingredients that go into storms like this.
Yeah, and along the eastern seaboard, the rip current risk has also increased. So that's the other concern for everyone that's out there as well. So something we're looking at as you take a look at what's going on with Hurricane Lee, you can see it's a very active Atlantic basin. And there is Lee. You can see also Margot further off towards the north holding on. I've circled another area of tropical development that has about a 90% chance of development over the next 7 days. So with that in mind, here is Hurricane Lee, the latest advisory showing the center of circulation is moving north at 14 miles per hour with winds sustained around 85 miles per hour. On that track, gets closer towards Maine as a Category 1 hurricane going into the weekend, and then will continue to make its way off towards the north and east, moving through portions of Canada going through Sunday evening. So there's going to be beach erosion. That rip current risk is there. The surf is going to be high. So also the potential maybe of some weather delays. We'll just say it that way. Here in North Texas, we saw some rain this morning, seeing a chance of some rain for tomorrow. 85 degrees, 86 on Saturday. Rain and storm chances around 40%. But the highs, they're going to gradually warm back up. And then on Sunday, we're calling it a picture-perfect weekend. Now, today, I kind of call this perfect because we needed a settling rain. We needed a cooler day. It was 76 for the high today. The average is 89 this time of the year. And if you're thinking about 76 degrees, last time it was this temperature for a high was May 21st, 116 days ago. And just again, I want to show this to you. The last time we had a high in the 70s, it was back in June 13th, 93 days ago. So after the record heat, it was nice to have a cooler day today. We could use a lot more rain to date, only about 3/10 of an inch of rain so far for the month. We're down by more than an inch. So the first alert satellite and radar shows that as we're going into the evening hours, continuing to dry out just a bit, some dry air is moving into the upper levels. First alert futurecast is a bit more active going into tomorrow. Now, I think a lot of the rain, as it's making its way west-east, will start to dissipate closer towards our midday. That's why I went about a 30 to 40% chance, and then we see some more sunshine peeking out. So higher amounts further off towards the west as we go into your finally Friday. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows morning temperatures upper 60s, low 70s, 89 on Sunday. Going into Monday, we'll be in the low 90s. Rain chances 20%, but then by next Wednesday and Thursday in the 80s, and storms back in the forecast.
All right, Scott, thank you.